In New York City, we all have small apartments, and small apartments means small closets. Early this year, Marie Kondo launched a new Netflix show. I did a search online on YouTube, and I found that it was hard to find the KonMari method specific to New York City apartments, and I thought it would be great to make a video that shows you how to be efficient specifically for homes like ours. All right, so first, let's start with my favorite pair of black jeans over here. You want to lay it out flat. Make sure that no wrinkles on either side. Make sure that you have the buttons on top because you're going to be folding it over like so. Make sure you take out all the wrinkles. Then you want to keep a little bit of space on top, which is the hard part. And when you fold it over, you still want to keep that little bit of space. And then once you have this structure here, you want to break into thirds. So 1 and 2. Once you have that, you have your pair of jeans, okay? And then in the structure in your closet, when you start putting in the drawer, you want to start facing them up like this so you can see all the different colors and all the different options of your jeans that you have. So here you'll see my world map sweater. For this item, a sweater especially, you want to make sure that there are no wrinkles on any of the portions of the shirt. Then you're going to fold over into the center, as so. And then you have the long sleeves, just keep them on the side and fold the other side as well, as so. Now the sleeves have to be also part of the rectangle shape. So you're going to fold it over one time and then down, just like so. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to fold over and you're going to fold it like that. Now because a sweater has a lot of material, we don't want to fold it into thirds because it's going to get very tight. It's going to stretch the material. We're going to actually just fold it over one time. So fold it over and you're going to fold it one more time, as so. And there you go, the way to fold your sweater. With the polo shirt, you want to make sure that you button up the top and then you want to lay it on the front. Make sure there's no wrinkles. And then you're going to fold it to the center, like so. And you may have a little bit of material at the ends, just fold it over. You want to make it a perfect rectangle. The collar is again still on the top. Then you're going to fold it over. Again, keep a little space at the collar. Okay, see, nice and straight. And then you want to do a third. So fold over and then fold over. And there you have it. You have your polo t-shirt. So my girlfriend likes to fold socks like this, where she tucks in one of the socks into it. But the problem with this is that the elastic on top starts to get worn down and it's not so elastic. So when you're putting it on your feet, it loses its grip. You actually want to lay it out flat, like so. And again, you want to just fold it. And there you go. You can put the socks in a basket. So here is a modern Asian t-shirt that we're going to try to fold. You want to have it folded on the back side. So you're going to turn it upside down where the front is facing the table. Fold it to the center. And this little piece of the material, just fold it over so that it's a nice rectangular shape. And then you're going to fold it over, keeping a little space at the collar. So you want to keep that open, just like so you can still see the space. And then you're going to fold it into threes. So 1, 2, and 3. And there you have it, your t-shirt. So as I explained to you, New York City apartments are really small and we have small closets. So you have to be really efficient with your space. Here is a drawer from my closet, and as you can see, I've already started the folding process. The ones that we just folded as well, you want to lay them out in your drawer so that you have the most stiff one on the outside and the most weakest one texturally in the inside, so they all stand up by themselves. And then for your socks, you want to have a separate small basket where you can lay your socks out as well. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope that you've benefited from it. If you have any questions or thoughts or any better ways of folding your clothes and being more efficient in New York City apartments, please let me know.